Hello dear viewers and amazing subscribers of the Science Tech of YouTube channel. You are welcome to another episode of an amazing video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can run anything Android smartphone app on your PC without the need of any emulator. How you can run anything Android smartphone app on your laptop without the need of any emulator. So if you want to know how to do this, make sure to watch this video carefully. Sit right and sit tight and don't do anything so that you can get everything do at a go. So yeah, the first thing you need in using anything Android smartphone on your PC without the need for any emulator is one, you need access to the internet, and then you need to have a browser, be it a Brave browser, a Chrome browser, or a Microsoft, any browser you can use in accessing the internet. You just make sure you get one. So once you've gotten this, visit the internet, open your browser, and you visit the site appetize.io. I'm going to be putting the link to this site in the video description so you can easily click on the link to get redirected to this website. So once you've opened the website, this is what the page looks like. So as a first time user, you need to sign up on this website. So yeah, where we have dashboard here, you need to create your account. You need to click on login, and you have to follow the processes and sign up on this website. So once you've signed up, you click on open dashboard. Then your dashboard will be like this. This is what your dashboard looks like. Once you've registered, you've opened your dashboard. Here you are having nothing. This page will be empty without any app. So yeah, as an empty page, you have to get your app which you will be using. Note, on this website you are not downloading anything from Play Store, unlike using the emulator which you need to use the Play Store and download it. You are not using Play Store here. So how do you get the app onto this platform? So yeah, this is what you're going to be doing. Open another page, open another tab on your browser, and search for the app you want to use. Let's say for instance, I want to use like Subways. I want to play games. I want to play game on my laptop. So what I do is I will just search for Subway, or let's say Killer Bean. I will just search for Killer Bean mod app. So you search for mod app, Killer Bean mod app. So you search for this, and you are going to have the website which you can download this mod app from. So yeah, I advise you use the app cure. There is this particular site called app cure. So I don't think this is showing up on our. So let's say from app cure instead. So you can see this particular website. You can't download any app from this website and not work. So mod app from this site is always working. So yeah, we click on this, and then we click on download app. So for the sake of this tutorial, I have an app I will be using. So yeah, once you download your app, you click on upload app here. Upload app by the right hand side here. So you click on that. Once you click on that, you click on select a file. So you can see, you click on select a file. You click on select a file. Then here you are going to have the app you've downloaded. You can see we have Killer Bean here. Click on it and you click on open, and within some few seconds you are going to the app is going to be uploading. So you can see, hold on, we are uploading your app. So you can see the app is uploading. So yeah, after uploading your app, you can see the app is now uploaded. So the app is now uploaded onto the website. So yeah, the next thing you have to do is to click on start. Then you click on start, and then you have this new page. So yeah, on this new page you have different devices. You can switch from one device to another. You have Networks 5, Pixel 4, Pixel 4 XL, and others like that. Pixel 7, Pixel 7 Pro, Pixel 6, and others. You have Galaxy Tab, you have Pixel Tablet. So you can select any of the device you want to use. So moving to the OS, you have different Android version of these devices you can use. So you can see this Pixel 7 device, we have it in Android 15, Android 14, and Android 13. And here you have the screen, how big you want the phone size to be on the screen. So you can switch from auto to 25, from you can 15, you can put it on 75, and you can put it on 100. But I like to go for 75, which would be not be too much on the screen. So yeah, you click on tab to start, which is on this phone device. You click on tab to start, and the app will be launched. So you can see the app is being launched. So installing the app and launching. So you can see the app is now launched. So you can see this particular app is in a rotate mode. So it's in landscape mode, rather it's in landscape mode. So if you want to rotate, just come to this fourth. You can see the first one is this home logo. The second one is lock. The third one is screenshot, and the fourth one is rotate. So you click on rotate, and you can see you've rotate the screen. You click on play, so you can see, and then you can select anything you want to select. You click the first level, play level, and then we are good to go playing any Android game on our PC. So you can see this. So you can see you can see that. So you can see you can play games, you can launch any app, you can launch it on your laptop, so like that. So if you want to go back, you can see I have another app here I've been using before, which is Novacard app. So you can launch, you can upload any Android app onto this website and launch it without the use of any emulator. If you've gained one or two things from this video, please do well by liking, sharing the video to your friends who may also be in need of this video, and as well subscribe on this channel, put on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos. Thanks for watching.